to enable Windows startup sound in Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Windows startup sound in Windows 11. For that, you will need to first of all open the settings application on your device. Simply open the settings from the start menu or the search bar at the bottom right, or you may also use Windows plus I key from your keyboard. Now once you open the settings page, here from the left sidebar look for personalization option. Once you find it, simply click on it, and then in the right side now look for themes option. Once you find this option, simply click on it, and now here look for the sounds option. You'll be able to see this option at the top. Once you find this sounds option, simply click on it, and at the left side you'll be able to see this pop-up. From here, make sure this Play Windows Startup Sound option at the bottom is selected. If not, simply click on it to check the box. Now from the top here, you'll be able to see different sounds. You can simply select it and then click on this test option in order to test or preview the sound. Now once after selecting it, click on this apply button right here and then click on OK. After that, you can now simply restart your PC to hear the startup sound. So this is how you can enable Windows startup sound in Windows 11. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.